to you. Any sectors that are looking good right now, ones that you would advise our viewers to invest in, to A, like you said, shelter from this entire volatility that we're seeing, B, on the earnings front where you're expecting good earnings, and C, just overall headed into next week, what's looking good?
As far as sectors which can be considered for investment from purposes, I think power is one sector which is completely sheltered from this tariff war. There is a structural positive in power sector in India, and that's going to continue for the next 5-10 years. So if somebody is willing to explore, NTPC, obviously the leader in the generation, definitely looks good at current levels. You can look at the power financials, PFC, REC, IREDA, all these look good at current level from a 1-year hold perspective. The other segment, which I'm positive, is construction and infrastructure. I think the government of India is going to spend 1 lakh crore per month, roughly, based on their capital expenditure budget. Now, with that kind of money coming in to get deployed through these companies, I think it's a significant opportunity, and the leader of the pack, Larsen and Toubro, definitely can be looked at. If you're talking about short-term earnings-related benefit and the what's happening in the currently as far as oil prices coming down is concerned, I think tire companies definitely deserve attention. The raw material cost has significantly come down. That will help them improve their margins and performance as we get into the quarterly result season now. So whether it's an Apollo tire or Seat tire, and even MRF can be looked at from a from a perspective of investing at current levels.
All right, Sudeep, thank you so much for your take. We'll definitely watch out for those sectors. But Rajesh, help us with your stock ideas as well.
The two stock ideas. First one is PNB Housing Finance. Since last is showing in terms of buying, there is a long built up in data. The way stock has moved up in last couple of weeks, and breakout is already there on weekly chart. So we believe that here we could see extension of rally. Possible target towards 1025 we may see in the coming week with stop loss of 960. Another stock is Grasim. Falling trend line breakout has been witnessed on the weekly chart, and the stock has also witnessed a long built up on the derivative data. We believe that here also we could see good traction towards 2710. So Grasim can be looked at for buying side, and keep your stop loss around 2625.
Thank you for that recommendation of stocks coming in. But on that note, Sudeep and Rajesh, thanks so much for joining us on the weekly edition of Your Trades, and thanks for sharing your views, sectors as well as stocks. On that note, we'll let you go. But viewers, time to wrap it up on this edition of Your Trades. Shrishti, next week 3 working days only.
Yeah.
Seems like it's going to be a break for us, but let's see if the markets can catch a break from the volatility. We'll see you on Tuesday. Have a happy long weekend.